Hi everyone! Welcome back to another SolidWorks tutorial. In this video, we'll be creating a hole pattern on a curved surface with a reduced size layout. We'll go through it step by step, starting from sketching, creating surfaces, and finishing with a neat pattern. So, let's get started. First, open SolidWorks, start a new part, and select Part Modeling. Now, choose the top plane and begin sketching. Draw a four-sided polygon and set the dimension to 100 millimeters per side. Next, apply a 20 millimeter fillet to each corner for smooth edges. Inside the polygon, draw a circle using a solid line based on the construction geometry. Switch to the front plane and draw a vertical reference line, setting its height to 20 millimeters. Now, using the spline tool, draw a curved line and apply dimensions as shown in the video. Once done, click the green tick mark to complete the sketch. Next, go to the Surface tab from the command ribbon, select Swept Surface, and follow the video's steps to complete the surface sweep using the earlier sketches. After creating the surface, use the Thicken feature to give it a 1 millimeter thickness and turn it into a solid body. Now, go back to the top plane, create a new sketch, and place a 4 millimeter diameter hole at the center of the object using the Hole Wizard or Simple Cut Extrude. Next, still on the top plane, create a construction line as shown in the video. Then, use the Linear Pattern tool and follow the video's procedure to generate a reduced size hole pattern across the surface. To complete the design, apply a circular pattern to finish distributing the holes evenly on the curved body. And that's it! You've now created a curved surface hole pattern with size variation in SolidWorks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to drop your questions or feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.